Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So if you want to uninstall applications, first you will need to wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button. Then you need to open the app menu by pressing the Chrome button again. And once you open the app menu, scroll through it, look for the icon of the application you want to uninstall. And once you find that icon, press and hold on it. And once you open this menu, you probably will see the uninstall option, and you can tap on it, tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. Beware though, not every app is removable. For example, let's say if I try to uninstall the Play Store, it won't let me. Same for the settings and stuff like that. So actually, probably most of the applications right here on the list won't be removable. Let's try to remove this one, yeah. Because these are like system apps, but anything that you install from the Play Store, you will be able to remove 100%. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.